I see the constellations. They remind me that this life cannot be lost forever. I watch my generation. It's so evident this world will soon be gone. Will soon be gone. Can we leave for tonight? Run away. Let's run away, run away. Can we get out of sight? Fly away. Let's run away, run away. Let's run away, run away, run away, run away. Let's run away, run away, run away. I see the constellations. They remind me that this life cannot be lost forever. I watch my generation. It's so evident this world will soon be gone. Will soon be gone. Can we leave for tonight? Run away. Let's run away, run away. Can we get out of sight? Fly away. Let's run away, run away. I see the constellations. They remind me that this life cannot be lost forever. I watch my generation. It's so evident this world will soon be gone. Will soon be gone. Can we leave for tonight? Run away. Let's run away, run away. Can we get out of constellations. They remind me that this life cannot be lost forever. I watch my generation. It's so evident this world will soon be gone. Will soon be gone. Can we leave for tonight? Run away. Let's run away, run away. Can we get out of sight? Fly away. Let's run away, run away. I see the constellations. They remind me that this life cannot be lost forever. I watch my generation. It's so evident this world will soon be gone. Will soon be gone. Can we leave for tonight? Run away. Let's run away, run away. Can we get out of sight? Fly away. Let's run away, run Let's run away, run away, run away. Let's run away, run away. I see the constellations. They remind me that this life cannot be lost forever. I watch my generation. It's so evident this world will soon be gone. Will soon be gone. Can we leave for tonight? Run away. Let's run away, run away. Can we get out of sight?
Hey guys, I'm back. Today I'm programming in Roblox, and it's been a while since I've done this. Uh, like I always say, there's some projects that I want to work on, and I think one aspect that I want in a major game is like an RPG like dialogue system. And so I thought, hey, why don't I explore this on stream and I don't know. And also, I think it's a simple kind of system that would enable me to kind of relearn about Roblox Studio and just scripting in that game. I'm still kind of rusty, and so I gotta bring myself back up to snuff like I used to be a couple years ago. It's been so long since I've programmed in this game. But it seems like what I learned from the last time I coded in Roblox was that one thing I tended to do in my scripts was just define all my variables at the beginning. So I think that might just be what I'll have to do is that seems like a good like start is like, oh, just define everything that I'm going to use at the beginning. That way I don't have to, I won't be wondering how I reference stuff in the code. And if you code this, what I'm talking about makes sense, but also like if you want to hopefully learn about programming through this, I definitely encourage you watching because I'm going through some pretty basic principles today. Yeah, why don't I go ahead and get into it? Oh, let's do the other one so you can see better. Okay. This is an old map that I had. Still have. But the system is all the way over here, and oh my gosh, there's no like faster way to do this. If I hold shift, or I think if I hold shift it gets faster over time. Or goes slow. I don't remember. I honestly don't remember. We go into space. Okay, so this area. I'm here. Okay, the reason why this project brings me back to this place. Oh, it's so old. Look at all these pictures. Oh gosh. Oh, memories. These were legit screenshots. Some of them I wasn't a part of. I wasn't a part of any of these, but oh, this. I ended up redoing this logo because it was straight up spelled wrong. Oh my gosh. So the dialogue system is actually, I think it's attached to these. Oh gosh, wait. Maybe I'm in the wrong project. Maybe they're not in these. I can't even select them. I think I'm straight up in the wrong project. Hold on. Yeah, different one. I think it is this one. There we go. We can close this one. I didn't do anything anyway. Okay, so new shorelines. I don't know what that means, but that sounds kind of cool. Let's see. So yeah, so they're in here. There's like an armory that was programmed. Yeah. So let's see. How did this work? Decal. Okay, nope, that's not it. Oh, here it is. I found it. It's Roblox dialogue, initial prompts, nodes, conversation, distance, trigger offset, data script. I feel like there's got to be some kind of global. There's got to be some kind of global like script to handle like this dialogue system. Now there's like I think a plugin. I think maybe if I go to model, let's see. There are plugins. Oh, are these the ones that I have for this project? It is. Oh my gosh, the Vanguard plugin. That's so funny. I think you can like Vanguard, the Vanguard plugin is like you give it a model and it will attach like different. I wonder how old these plugins are. I wonder if any of them are deprecated, or I wonder if like any of the, or I wonder if any of like their Roblox's programming like functions and stuff have changed. Let's see. Oh, create dialogue. Okay. Okay. Dialogue editor. Oh, shoot. Okay, dialogue editor. Allow. Create dialogue. No. Where did it create it? Is there undo? Reinstall scripts. Where would I keep them? Oh, here we go. So I think what this does, okay, so I think this install scripts, what it might do is, let's see for fun. So I think it will install these scripts here. Maybe. I don't know. Create dialogue. Yes. Oh. Okay. Oh, okay. So yeah, somebody created like a GUI with a plugin. Okay, where does it save to? You can move these around, which is pretty sweet. Add prompt, add response, center view. Conversation data. Right. Turn some keys, another key, another value, and so on. Be careful to remember that any functions, code, etc. cannot be passed from server to client. Only strings, ints, tables, etc. will be preserved, and besides, this isn't the place to store code. Use actions and conditions to perform code instead. Oh man. Oh man, how rusty am I? Is this also storing the let's see. Starter. Okay. Start GUI. Menu. What is this? Oh, this might be the FX. God. Oh, this is obfuscated. Okay. So this is probably for the Vanguard stuff. Let's see. Yeah, it is. Remotes. Range warned. Response chosen. Wow. Special prompts. How do I exit this? Oh, left click. Hold? I could select these? Dang. Save and exit. Oh, where did that create it though. Maybe I have to attach it to something. So essentially what this is supposed to look like, if I actually go in here, I could say play here. It will spawn my character in about here. So if I go in, I'll probably end up changing the GUI for this too to reflect more like Halo-ish kind of. If I click on this GUI will pop up. And I have like a couple of options for like, I just have a couple of different options. Let's see. I think it's, let's see. So it's not giving me anything. It also doesn't close on its own. My brain hurts. Essentially, you should be able to like, let's see. You should be able to edit dialogue, and you can program dialogue to happen in like certain conditions, or like you can restrict certain dialogue. You can add, you can basically interact in things a unique way based on if you have a certain item. You can program things like that. Oh man, it's been so long. I just had food. Why would I do this to myself? I've been awake all morning. No, I can't. When I don't understand something in programming, it makes me tired. I don't know what to think. I gotta stay awake. No. Okay. So in the server script service. Oh, there's the ROBLOX dialogue one. Okay. So this is saying the server. This is okay. Is this a module script? Or is this just a script? I guess it's just a script. Okay, this is the server equals. Okay, so it grabs the ROBLOX dialogue class from. Okay, so replicated storage, it gets this folder, it finds this folder, waits for it to generate, then it looks for class, and then it waits for the child server, which is this script. So I guess which is an object. So like it's programming basically this variable is going to represent, I guess it looks like probably this. Oh man. These are the server scripts though. I don't know if I plan to touch them yet anyway. This is impressive code. What I need to do is I need to go to this and see how I might. So there's the data script. Okay, I can give it a portrait image, which is those like crossing swords. So let's see, what programs the what programs the, let's find what programs the dialogue. And it might be that GUI, but I'm trying to see how I might, maybe if I click on this, can I say Edit dialogue. Oh, okay. So if I click on that folder. Ah, okay. If I click on that folder. Guys. Oh. Left shift. I go up. They're connected to something up there. That's another thing is that. Oh, can I? Okay, so this is supposed to go to the retrieve from locker node. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, no. Guys. Oh, that's cool. Okay, I can get rid of these. Hold shift. Center view. Ah, here we go. Upon closer examination. So. And then I think these are nodes. So, initial prompt. This is the reference, which is prompt hello. Oh, it creates these folders. Okay. Retrieve upon closer responses. Oh, these are all references. Response taking the dialogue. Oh. I did not mean to do that. Okay. Taking, okay. These are all reference. Okay. So all of these nodes are. Oh, okay. So this is all under nodes. So even. Okay, so these are nodes. I think even the prompt is a node. So. Yeah, even the initial prompt is a node. Interestingly, it doesn't show up as like under the initial prompts, but. Oh, this UI is gonna kill me. So what if I just say like, okay, nothing. It looks like it regenerated. Does that save the project though? I hope not. I could always just copy one of these. Ooh, yeah. There we go. It's just says nothing. There's the taking this, taking this, taking this. So I think this represents that. Actually, I wonder if it worked. Does the plugin even work? Guess we'll see. Guess we'll see. Ah. Okay. Okay, it did change it. The plugin does work in that sense. I remember doing things to change the GUI. The GUI should be easy to modify. Okay, so what if I wanted to create a new, like create something new? Like, I don't know, let's undo CRUD. Can we even undo that CRUD? Not really. Okay. Let's just go into like this thing. Okay, let's say go into that part. And let's say we want to create dialogue. Yes. Okay, so we'll add it to that part. Hello world. Nice. Save and exit. We'll add it to this. Now if I were to play here, I should see some kind of dialogue box, right? Oh, yeah, there is one. Okay. Oh, because it's in front of the... Got it. Okay, so there's one. If I click on it. Let me do a different... Let me see. Let's do like a different part. Let's do like this. Plugins, create dialogue. Yep. Hello, world. Hello to you too. Okay. Okay, there's the oh, it's kind of... There we go. There we go. Okay. So the options... Okay, so this tells me something about the GUI. So the options are not, like, they're centered. I could say, and hello to you too. Interesting. They can probably respond too. Let's modify that. So go back to this, go to the dialogue plugins, dialogue editor, and then let's say add response, or no, add prompt. What are you doing here? And I don't know. And I could put it there. Wow, that's pretty smart. And then save and exit. And then play here. So this like part that I'm applying the dialogue to can be like an NPC, or can be like the head of like a Roblox character. So, hello world, and hello to you too. What are you doing? Okay, it immediately prompts you next. Okay, so that's something to consider. And it's just going to be like at the bottom here. So I might actually want to change that GUI up. So the dialogue is not like a, it's not like a, it's not a thought bubble. Okay. Makes sense. Would be like subtitles or something. I could even make that stuff, I can make all the fancy like unfolding of this stuff like invisible. I can be like, hey, this you know, let's just make them subtitles, and then these will be subtitles, and then I'll have like the options underneath. I can copy, like I can basically like use any sort of UI for inspiration. I remembered being able to mock up this AI, not AI, UI. I was able to change this UI. Oh, I just moved something. Did I just move this? Whoa, I just like made it sync. Huh. Weird. Okay. Seems like the UI needs like a little bit of modifying here. So if I were to apply this plugin in like a very much brand new project, let me also just make sure, like, can I exit this without saving? Let's open a new. Let's not do that. Let's do file. Open. Let's do a new place. Hey, Popple, welcome. Oh no, something was deleted. Ah, no. Sorry, when did you get here? Ah, I've been so focused. Thanks for stopping by. Ah, so I'm learning this new. Okay, I don't think I've done anything in this project. I can maybe just like borrow this. There's nothing in here, right? Yeah, there's like nothing in here. So let me add. So I figured out how this like plugin works. I don't know if there's a new one. Yeah, yeah. So this is the side of Roblox that you just don't see. They have a straight up. They have this like IDE, and I can't call it anything other than an IDE. That is like, what are they? What is that? What does that stand for again? I'm literally in the field for this, and I don't even know what it's called. Integrated development environment. Those are some big words for a Roblox player. Yeah, so this is like the coding side of Roblox. You know, when people make their insane games and people make their incredible engines, this is the tool. This is the integrated, oh shoot, I already forgot. Integrated development environment. Like software that you could use to program. It's like Unity but done more for you. Unity is like, oh my gosh, like this makes Unity feel so much harder, because like there's just so much that's like done for you in terms of like the environment and lighting and physics. But in Unity, you gotta program all that yourself. Just a pain. Yeah, right now, okay, so this doesn't look interesting, but what I'm trying to do is I have a let me get a like a part. Let me put something, or let me search person. Let me just get like, okay, let's get an Ohio person. Okay. Ohio person. This is This is Roblox, guys. You gotta remember, this is freaking Roblox. Okay, so we don't need the scripts. I don't want anything to be injected into like this project. Guys, have you seen that billboard? It's either heaven or Ohio. So what I can do is I can click on, like, suppose like the head of this person, and I can go to this plugin. This is an old plugin. I'm gonna shoulder man. I'm gonna see if so this plugin's kind of old. It might be deprecated, like it may not work. There are some things that still don't work about it, but there might even be some new dialect systems, because I found this plugin back in like 2020. But what I can do is I can create dialogue, and that will create a folder. and somebody programmed these like this UI where I can configure dialogue. So now I can save and exit. And now if I actually play the game, I'll play it right here. I can apply this dialogue. And look, this man has a question, Bloach. MG. Oh, you're here. Oh my gosh. Wait. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Hold on, I'll be right back. With my yeah, wait. The actual model. Okay, I thought you were referring to this. I don't know if you saw this yet. but thank you. Oh my gosh, thank you. I know I'm kind of proud of them. I've not really like I fortunately understand Photoshop. And then you kind of gave me some Stella, you gave me some really good advice on texturing and setting like the outlines and I think but I think one thing that I don't have is like the speed, the pace in which I can do any of like this model stuff. I think it helps when you have like, for one, the tools and experience to be able to make like just models and to design them. I'm not a designer too. That's another thing. Yeah, I know. I gotta get my ears back. As a toggle. Maybe I'll end up having them toggled more often than I'll have them untoggled. But I kind of just want the option, you know. But like, I can't make anything from scratch. Which is the thing. I know that's the thing though. Is it's just improving. It's just modifying. I can't make anything from scratch. Like I can't design like this jacket from scratch. You know, like you did that. I'm not a designer. I'm just the music man and a programmer. I wish I designed this though. Dang, this is freaking sick. I have this exact flannel at home. I almost wore it today. But I want literally a Tanjiro like I want the Tanjiro like outfit, but like with this blue, with this flannel. So with this dialogue plugin, oh, hold on real quick. I'll be right back. Hold on. I gotta grab something. Something very important. Someone very important. I'll be right back. Oh, let me allow that. My bot likes to flag stuff. I need to set stuff. Hold on. I'll be right back. I gotta where is it? Okay, I'm back. Pablo held for swearing. It's like, I mean, I feel like in like the professional world, I guess, like that's what you're trained to do, is to be able to design stuff from scratch. It's like, yeah, maybe you can code, right? Like you can be a programmer, but that's different from being a software engineer, right? And it's like I feel like the difference between like a real artist and like someone who can maybe just like use Photoshop. Like I can't, like, I'm not very good at, you know, just envisioning something in my brain and then like making like whatever idea in my head a reality. I feel like that's the skill they teach you in whatever field you're in. So it's like, yeah, so you guys are good. You guys are good at the scratch stuff. So this is like what the raw, I guess, the like stock dialogue system looks like. And it looks like it still works. Did I ever tell you guys that you guys sound the same to me, by the way? You and Stella, you guys are like I've never seen you in real life, but I would think you guys are actually siblings. You guys, I think you legit sound like the same person. I only feel bad for Blossom. That there's just there's just two. See, that's what I'm saying. That's what Stella would text too. It's like it's just the same energy. It's just double the same person. It's either two Popples or two Stellas. It doesn't matter. It's just it's the gremlin energy. Emchi, you want to come over here and take a look at this? So this is what I've come up with so far. So, no. So this was a free model. Oh, no. I was quite surprised by it. I just typed in person in the library, and this was like on the top. And this has got 86% thumbs up. Oh,
that's hilarious.
Oh my gosh, I still wanna. Oh my gosh, don't tell. Actually, you can tell. You can tell. Pop. Not Pop. Wait, what? What am I saying? Blossom. You can tell Blossom, but you shouldn't. I really wanted to go to her birthday stream yesterday, and I was at a festival, or I was at a concert called Fish Fest, and I still wanted to like tune in and give some subs, and I didn't. I was too busy. I wish I could have made it. I'll still text her. Oh wait, I don't have her number. I'll have to like text her on Discord. DM, as they say. Can I just sound less cool? A direct message, as they call it. Excuse me. That almost sounded like Southern for a second there. Oh my gosh. Could I interest you in a direct digital message? So you're able to create some complex dialogues. So like, let me see if I can invent something here. Let me create a duplicate of this dude. Look at this dude. Let me get a version of him without the dialogue. Okay, it has 3 scripts. Okay, I don't want the scripts. So we'll create like maybe one more. Guys, this is scary. So one of them has the dialogue. I think it's this one. Nope. Oh my gosh, I lost track of which one has it. This guy. Okay, so this guy has it. And let's see. So I can add, I think, can I add independent move? Can I have these dialogues like, Oh, I see. So no, I think each of these. Okay, so I can create a new dialogue. Be like, okay, ahoy, ahoy, aho, ahoy. You need a key or something like that. Like, I'd be like, how do I enter that? I'd be like, yes, I do. Yeah. And then I pull a gun on him. Okay, so that's the next thing. That's actually well, he has to prompt me first. It's just like, here you go. Something like that. And I don't actually need this one. I'll delete that. I'll just like doop. So what I could do, okay, so save and exit. Like, hey, okay, wait, edit dialogue. So hello, and I'd be like, hey, you have the stuff? You know, like, as you ask your friends, you know, do you have the stuff? And you'd be like, no, I'll go get it. And then it's like, you know, and your friends just wanting to keep you accountable, you know, as, you know, iron sharpens iron, you know, they say, like, you better. And I think that's a sweet interaction. You know, as friends do. And we'll save it, exit. Oh gosh. And then we play the game. So these dialogues, okay, so now something I think I realize is that they're not going to be like so dynamic. I think actually they might have like a system for that. I know there's like some programming pages that I could read about. Be like, hey, no, I'll go get it. You better. And then I'll go over like maybe down a path to this guy and be like, ahoy, you need a key? And I'll be like, yes, I do. Here you go. And then I'll program it. There can be like, I think there's like a post processing, like after dialogue, like you can give the system like something to give me. I should really rotate this guy. He's looking at me there. Cool. And then I would go back to this guy and then like it would have like a new dialogue option. Like, yes. Like, do you have this? Yes, I do have it. That's what I'm trying to accomplish. And maybe I wonder if I could accomplish like also like just having it close on its own. I don't think I should have to click this. Yeah, I can actually, yes, I could probably optionally give it a, oh, it did do it on its own. I'll just make it less. The timeout less. That might be settable. But it would be like settable after I feel like all the dialogue has been placed. So this is where this system comes in, right? Because can I spawn in this room? Yes. So like this is the same system. I could just click this and I just change the GUI. So it looks like I would need to add some kind of post-processing step. And also the wait time too. So once it's done, does it just stay up? That's different. Wonder how I programmed it to do that. We'll worry about one thing at a time. So it looks like so I think... Oh, got a scratched nose. I might end up making some coffee later. Oh. I think I need it. I'm so tired. Oh, could I do the... I could do both eyes. I could do one or the other. Okay. Next. Next. Oh, even if I don't keep the ears, I'm 100% keeping the fangs, though. Those just look sick. So sleepy. Why? Oh, that was close. Oh. Oh. Oh, okay. Well, I'm back. I'm back here. Okay. So. Well, let's see. Well, now, okay, so now I should take a look at a system then that... Oh, right. So what is that data? Okay, so let's go back. The data, Roblox dialog, nodes, initial prompts. Okay, so I think this is programmed from the GUI. But if I go in here and I do dialog editor, I could do, okay, dynamic text functions. Okay, let me read this. Let me see. So for example, that sounds so suspicious. Hello, player name. How is your family? How are they? Are they healthy? Are they alive? Do you have a family? Could you still say you had one? And can you say that for sure? I'm a psychopath. This is why you can't team with me on Minecraft, because I'm always open to... I always... If I ever played... Oh, shoot. What was that game mode that Jackal told me about? I don't even remember. If there was any team-based game where you had to betray anybody, I would immediately go for my team first. I can't not like kill, you know, if I had to betray my team in a game mode where it's like you're an imposter, I can't not kill whoever's closest to me. It's like you gotta I feel like as an imposter, as the betrayer of like a team, you have to consider everyone as your enemy equally. As much as it would benefit you to destroy other people in a map or in a game where it's a free-for-all and everyone's on their own, even if you have like an alliance, like you gotta also consider your teammates as potential targets. Like you just can't, because then by the time like you're done with being the killer, like they'll still want to alliance with you, and that's just messed up. Then you still have an alliance after you were just the killer. Unless like, you know, you're keeping your traitor's tendencies a secret. Then then you might want to aim for someone other than your team, if you could even like, what is that game called, that Minecraft game that Jackal keeps telling me about though? There's like a boogeyman. Ugh. My brain, my memory. This is how tired I am. Let's see. The dialect system would automatically detect the player name, call the function player name below, and replace the text with whatever the function returns. So if Telemon was speaking to the NPC, the text would read, "Hello, Telemon. How is your family?" Oh! Oh, that's okay. That's the dynamic stuff. So, oh, wow. Okay. You can put code in here. It looks like so. Player name equals return. So how do I use this? The player is the player talking to the NPC. The dialog folder is the folder in the Roblox object hierarchy that represents this conversation. Where's the dialog folder? The node is the node that's calling this function. Oh, they're already defined. So, what's the folder? Okay, dialog folder is this. Oh. Oh, so I think I have to, let's see. As a text like something here, I will replace that text with a function from this table. Okay. So can I be like, hey, player name, do you have this stuff? So let me, is it already programmed to only do the name? Or maybe I have to actually pass in. I think I gotta actually pass in that. Oh, nice. Okay. Okay, so I can do that. Is there anything else dynamic that I could give it? I could at least get the player's name, but can I get like other data from the player? Like if they have a key on them. Oh. Oh, my headphones are falling off. So, let's see. Play here. Okay. Oh, you can edit data. Okay, so this dynamic text. Okay, so. What the function? Function from this table. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. I can get return player dot name. With a function. What? Interesting. So I guess we can return other things, not just the player. I guess you could return the dialogue folder. What about the node? Let me just see. Just for fun. Can you get the name of a folder? Oh. I mean, hypothetically, I can get... Okay, so I can get the name of that. I could get the name of the node. I could probably get a lot of data. Let's see. Dialogue. Let's see. So, to both the client and the dynamic text functions that may or may not be involved with. I think there are games that show off this dynamic dialogue system. Let me see. What is this plugin called? ROBLOX dialogue system. Wow. Wow. Did people update it? Was there a new one? Are there new ones now? There's a node editor. Hold on. Of the first... Oh, hold up. There might be a new one. This guy might have still worked on it. Why use this old one? To maybe to just get familiar with it, but hold on. Find the older version. Is that the old... Really? That's not... I think this is a completely different system entirely. Hold on. I'm looking at Google. Hold on. It's this. It's this one. This is the one. This was a beta? Is this the same guy? No, different. Yeah, this is the one. Okay. I mean, not gonna lie, I would opt for an option where I wouldn't have to script. This one. That's the old one. Okay, that's interesting. That's way different. That's way different. Like subtitles, though. Again, UI can always change. I don't necessarily need to have it. Won't necessarily need to look like this. Let's see. Root. This is just a straight up different text. Skippable. Hmm. Whoa. Main framework. This is not used to create and manipulate dialogue. Not made for the. Wow. Okay, this is recent. For the person below me is correct. What? freaking comments. Freaking Roblox comments. Oh my gosh, they crack me up. Okay, why not? Install it. I could also experiment with that. We'll just create a new place. Oh nice. Okay, so it's just gonna be in my projects then. Let's see. And then what's this? Oh, this is just a model. I'll get it. Why not? Figure out what it is in a bit. Main framework. This is the node editor used to create the multiple dialogues, and then this is the dialogue system itself. Huh. Oh, so the dialogue system is in a model. That makes sense. This probably goes in like your server scripts. It looks like, okay, so there's dialogue events, node presets. Is that anything similar to what we see in this program? So we have, it's a little different. It's different. I'm surprised this still even works. Yeah, of course. Yep, server storage. Test the system. So if you have plans for the UI that fits your game better. Okay. Shouldn't be a hassle, of course, as any UI should be. Wow. Whoa. If something was left unclear, let me know. I would also love to hear what you think. Okay. My goodness. Oh. Dang, okay. Dang, okay, so this one's a recent one. Let's keep using, well, let's keep using the one that I have been using and see if we can figure that one out. I don't think either will allow for really like the giving of items. Maybe the second one, whatever this one is. Oh, wow, wait, this is official? Oh, this is the right. Okay, wait, I was on this one. So It looks skippable. It looks like it's just a node-based like thing. Okay, response prompt command dialog root lock condition. I wonder what the command is. Would tell me. The command doesn't work when I press the response. It freezes. Okay. I see. So apparently that command one isn't working. So there's prompts and responses. Dialog root, okay. And then I guess lock and some kind of condition, I guess. I would want, let's see. And it's probably possible to go into whatever like code is generated from that and to like hijack it to do something or whatever you want it to do. Let's see. So let's see what I can have it do. Maybe I can have it give me like a tool. Oh. So what is that? Okay, so for this node, you can use it returned. You can use it to pass whatever useful information you may need to build the client. And then and the dynamic text functions. Follow the format. Turn some key value. Oh, okay. Many strings and tables. Okay, so data. I wonder if there's like an example of this. Oh, okay. Text in the dialog by utilizing a table of dynamic text functions. Is that this? What I was just looking at? No, data strict is different than. Okay. Giving you a tool to power up. Okay. Okay. Look and behavior. Look and behavior. Comes with the default interface. Well documented though. Okay, that's what I wanted to do though. I want it to give. That's no problem actually. I want it to give like items. That's kind of like the extent, I think. I think most of like the dialogue system can be motivated by like the whatever post operations that you can do. So like if you can initiate a quest or like give them an object which they can use for a different dialogue person. So like oh shoot. So it's not just post options, it's like pre options too. each of these dialogue points, let's see. So you can make these pretty robust. Wait, so you can edit the data for each of these. Okay, what are these? Is it also just a data script? Oh, they're all just data scripts. Why is this one different? I think it's straight up crashed. No, I hope the Ohio men are okay. The Ohio people. The Ohioans. Ohioans. Okay, so there's like whole conversation data, and then there's individual. I can't. Am I not allowed to have both open at the same time? Oh, that's funny. Wrong one. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Let's go here. Head. Dialogue. Hmm. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Vroom, vroom. The car speeding outside. My brain is like mush right now. Let's see. Right, plugin editor. Just this script that's the problem for this node. Not be passed from server to client. Actions and conditions. What actions? Oh, shoot. Wait. Oh, okay. Player, okay, edit the function below to return true when you want this response to be valid. Player. Oh, player is the player speaking to the, oh, dog's outside. Player is the player speaking to the dialogue, and the dialogue is the object containing the dialogue data. Okay, so in here, there's probably, let me see. I could probably put like an object in here. Okay, well, this is a condition, so if you want this response or prompt to be valid, what if I click false? Are you better? Is that this one? Okay, so I have a condition set. Will it remember that? It will. What does it do if it's false? Okay, but you can execute code actually. So I think I get it. I think maybe like false means I can't enter the dialogue. Ultimately, you'll enter true or false. So true meaning it's valid, maybe? No, I'll go get it. Yeah, it won't enter the dialogue if if the condition's false. So that condition can be like if I have. Okay, so a condition is like the pre-processing of the dialogue, and then the action I think is the post-process. What happens after the dialogue. So I have to like have it check first of all, like, okay, so let's do this. Okay, let's do this. Hold on. Oh. Let's see. Okay, plugin, dialogue editor. No, I'll go get it. Okay, and then action. Do you... Okay, so no, I'll go get it. It's fine. I think you can only have one initial prompt. So the prompts are always like a single thing, so... okay, so here's this. So here's this. So I could say... Okay, you know what? I think I can have like different responses based on like... So let's add a response. So like, yes, here you go. The condition here would be like, if player has item, like return true. Otherwise, false, right? So let's just say they do have it, right? Hold on. Oh yeah. And then it's the same logic here. It's like, if player has item, return true. So the other one, because it's the opposite, it's like, no, I'll go get it. If the player has the item, false. Otherwise, true. So this one's the opposite. So for now, we'll set this one to false. So will these dialogue options even show up? So now I can have two options. I'll save and exit. And it should only give me one. I would expect it to only give me... I would expect it to only give me one option. So either the... Yeah, okay. So each one will have a condition in order to, like, work. Yeah. Yeah, okay. So even the responses too, like, so the prompts will have conditions. Like you won't get certain prompts. So it'll be like maybe there will be a little extra thing like, oh, you have this on you. Like Gib. Just like dynamically, or if it doesn't have it, then, you know, it won't have like that secret dialogue. Okay. And then at the end, you know, like I can have it say different things too. So go here, do edit, add prompt. This isn't a bad system. If it's older, it's not bad actually. It's actually, I don't know what the other one I googled. I don't know how robust it is if it allows you to do this kind of stuff. But I can have there be a prompt for either. So like if I'll go get it, just like, thank you, kind sir. Or otherwise, this one will be like, well, okay, wait. Hurry now or something, right? And then it's like, thank you, kind cat boy. So I could be in like an earlier part. Oh, that's interesting. Why does it do that? Could just be like, oh, yes, here you go. Thank you, kind cat boy. So that could be on the condition that that could be on the condition that like I have something on me. So like some kind of storage. Can I do that? Can I do like a starter player scripts? Starter pack. Character, I believe, is like client. And then player is like dialog client script. I think player is like the server, but the character is like, I don't remember. What if I just add a folder in here? How can I do that? Insert object. Folder. There's a folder thing. We'll call it. And maybe we'd want to store it in the server. I don't know. Yeah, it should be stored in the server actually, because hypothetically you could have like somebody just invent people can exploit, and anything that's like programmed in the client is like exploitable. So like somebody could just create the object in their player, and then it will just check locally. But I think we can, if we store it in the server, we can give it to the player in the server, and they won't be able to, just because they create the object and they attach it to their character, that will only exist on the client side, but not on the server side. Ohio person, it always gets me. Always gets me. Oh gosh. Let's see how I would do that. How would I add? These are scripts though. Starter player. Do they just attach to me when I play? Or press play? It's been a while. There's like an instantiation order of like what gets created. Okay, there's me. Health. Really? Is that just normal? How do I get... I guess I will have to... You know what? I think there are some, like, tool givers and stuff. Like, some public stuff with code that I can reference. That actually... Yeah, that's what I can do. Oh my gosh, I think I need a break, though. I need a break. I'm gonna make some coffee real quick. Okay, I'm starting to. It's starting to make sense. It's actually. Oh my gosh, it's actually coming back to me. Oh, it's gonna be boring at first. Like the learning process is kind of sucking right now. But I'm actually. I'm glad I'm getting a grasp on this system. I'm actually like I kind of am more excited to work on the UI, the front UI, so that it's more like I want to use this in like a Halo type of game, so I want to improve on the UI part. Okay, I'll be right back. I'll give myself 10 minutes. Yeah. Okay, I'm back. All right, a little more invigorated, and I got a latte. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna switch focuses because I'm dying. I'm dying. So, let's actually do something that is a little more relevant to like something that I want to build or make. One of my projects. If I do open from Roblox, and I'll periodically save these from file too. Let me see if I can develop. Okay, I wanted to explore this Project Bravo a little bit. And maybe even see if I could get the backpack system working again. No, no changes were made. So, I thought there was a shortcut that I could use to remove. I think this is just the... What is this? Loader, shading, arrest, administration. Crafting? Nope. HUD. Hint. Nope. Interaction. Inventory. Nope. A loader. Oh, Corvette. Frigate. Oh, sick. Okay. Is this? Oh, it's the shading. There's a shop in this? Okay. So, this is an old map. Oh, looks like the tree models though. Wait. The trees. Guys. I thought the trees were like... What models are these? Where are these coming from? Trunk? Can I look up this asset ID? How do I look these up? I thought this was, oh, that's the trunk. Like the leaves. I thought these were, archived. Let's find out who. Let's find out, because I legit want to use these trees. These are like, oh my gosh. Like, these are some of the best trees I've seen in Roblox, not gonna lie. Wow. There's a lot of stuff here. Oh, is that a spawn? Okay. So there's just this giant rock in the middle. They didn't know what to put here, so they're like, rock. Oh, you don't know what to put. Just put a rock. I mean, I really like the layout of these bases. Whoever was designing these, and I kind of know or remember who did. They were just really good at designing bases. me see. And here's another thing. I want to write a script. Can I just play here? I want to write a script. Oh, it's using my shield system too. Dude, I could add that actually. Hold on. Wow, a lot of this stuff is working. I just didn't like how orange it was when this game came out. That kind of adds to the character of it. So I wonder if these places still exist. If these groups still exist. Wow, some of these are so old. Hold up. Wow. Cost to admit. Hold on. Okay, it's loading. Wow. Hold up. Let me do full screen off. That's fine. Stella, Stella, I didn't know you had a shop. Whoa, okay, hey, you're making it big out in the world, I see. Oh my gosh, are these your designs? Whoa, you make fedoras, Ferrodas. You make the Ferrodos and the suits and the purpotable and the Ferretas. That's Can I work here? Can I? Is this the Zadine shop? The Stella's Zadines. The hot dog truck. the camera van. Okay, so this isn't what I was looking for. I really like the neon though. That's pretty sick. Oh, it's straight up. Okay, someone adding their own like weapon system. Whoa. Okay. I really want to go back to these showcases. What the? Okay. But studio. So let me think. So oh my gosh, I lost my train of thought. So what was I checking on here? I guess I was checking to see like, oh yeah, what systems on here work, and I guess I wanted to see like if I can use part of this map. I have another one too. Like I gotta open from file. Let me look. This would be under... I have so many backups made. I'm so glad I have all my old stuff. Come on, where is it? Here it is. Okay. Oh, okay. I can actually still have that toggleable menu if I wanted. Maybe. What was it? Borrowed. Oh, I see. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Wait. This is old. Wait. This isn't what I was thinking of, but... Oh my gosh. Guys, this is unreleased stuff. Guys. Oh my gosh, I love this skybox. Is that actual water? It is. Dang, they were really good at that. Oh my gosh. This might be the place. Maybe. Yeah, this straight up wasn't released. Or maybe this became something else. Let me open another one. Okay. Open, let's see. From file. This is not the one. The other one was this. Which one was the latest? Wow. Oh, that's perfect. Latte. All right. Oh, this place they made a civilian area. Wow. Covenant stuff? This could even be it. Wow. Oh, this is just okay, there's no intersection. This is just like a model. Okay, that's actually pretty smart though. I like that. Wow, that fog is kind of intense. I don't know if we need it like this far. But dang. Oh my gosh, there's white tree versions too. Okay. Okay. This might have my newest version of the inventory system, actually. With the new shorelines. You can also upgrade this place shorelines later from the terrain editor panel. It can be reverted right after its completion with the undo command. It's fine, I'll dismiss. I wonder what the shorelines are though. Actually, let me Google that. Maybe I want them. Oh, heck yeah. Why would I not want to do that? Hold up. Was there water? There was water on the other place. Oh my gosh, why not? Why the heck not? Okay. Wow. This is like almost too big. I think I don't want a snow area though. I think what I'll want is like a just more traditional Halo kind of game. Just like normal weather. Plus I like the skybox of that last one. This one, not this one. We'll do no for that. Oh, I didn't check if the I should have checked though if that backpack system worked. Hold on, let me do that again. Let me publish this and then play it and see if, because I think only the backpack system made it in here, which is actually good if it's only, if that is the only like system that's in here. Upgrade, why not? That's really cool though. Oh my gosh, they did like a banished area. There's no way. That's kind of nuts. Hold up. That's kind of nice. It's almost too big. It's almost too big. This place. Oh. Okay, if we publish it, that means the scripts can then access Roblox's servers. Okay, let's just say play. Will probably take forever to load. Ah. Let's see. Yeah, I know, it will fail to load. There's too many teams, first of all. Maybe. Oh. So. Interesting. The animations are doing that thing. So this animation, the animations that I have are attached to like a group that I'm part of. It's authenticated like through that group. But it looks like this was authenticated from like a different group, maybe? I never fully understood. Oh my gosh, people can just sleep right next to their rifles, I guess. Does the inventory work though? No, it doesn't. It doesn't. I could get it to work. It's actually a really good system. I would probably want to use it in another game. Somebody must have either something was deprecated and it stopped working, or somebody must have archived something that caused it to stop working. Unable to reach Trello, actually. Okay, so is that because... I think there's like a whitelist system, a whitelist and a blacklist system that's like operated through Trello. I actually have a world that tests that kind of system. Might I might use it because it works. Okay, this place is interesting. Okay, this place. I know it's not done, but I think this is the place I want to use. You know, interesting trenches though. Interesting choice to use them. Okay. Did I change anything on here? No. Pretty sure this doesn't have any sort of systems really in place. Okay. So. Yeah. ROBLOX cache. That's nothing. Code presets. This doesn't really have anything. Where would it default me? So the ultimate goal would be to take a map like this and... Oh, okay, this is like a little... Oh, some assets. Would be to take a map like this and apply like my system to it, my rating system that I have. And ultimately the game would have like many elements to it. But okay, that's actually good. So for this though, yeah, this doesn't really... Oh. Oh, that's a, oh, interesting. That's a stamina bar. I actually kind of like that. And the names too. Let me see if I can get like a template going. So a game that has all the systems that I could want in it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Also, file. Oh, okay. That's newest, huh? A little different. So, what is it? It's called not raid system testing. Oh, I also wanted to use this. Hold up. Oh my gosh, it fixed the water. It could fix the water so good. Hold up. Yeah. Oh my gosh, guys. Guys. It's Valhalla. I didn't get it quite right, but oh, actually that's not bad. That's not bad at all, not gonna lie. Wait a second. I might even incorporate this. Is there a way to copy places? Oh my gosh, I haven't. Oh my gosh, that's right. I use these trees, these giant freaking trees. Can I make them smaller? Yeah, you can. I can. I probably can. That's right. That's what I use them for. That's right. I could like. So I made this. I made this like a red versus blue style game, but it got like DMCA'd by someone who didn't like me. So I think the water's too deep. Not the goal. Also, the radar works too. Oh, there we go. There's the nice water effects. Okay, why is it this skybox though? Okay, I just realized, why is it this one? I mean, not gonna lie, the green kind of matches, but like, I think people would like, oh yeah, I was gonna turn this into a wall, but I just turned it into rocks, I guess. Did I do that on accident? I might incorporate this, not gonna lie. I can't believe I made this all terrain. I can't believe I freaking made Valhalla from Halo in this game. I think it's like the perfect scale. Like, not gonna lie, I don't think the scale needs to change. Tried to make it feel similar. I think there's a way that you can copy. I'm hoping there's a way that you can copy stuff into games. Make this into like a training area, I guess. I don't know. How would I incorporate it? I still don't even know why like it got DMCA'd, other than I think the title. I think I could bring it back as long as I get rid of all of the references to Halo. Dang. See, can I go up here? No, it's just a block, not water. Oh wow, I even made the snow too though. Dang. Hmm. What do I want to do? What do I want to do? I really liked using. I want to keep using this. We can start with the other stuff. Let's see. So wait, this was the skybox that was used, not the other one. I'm so confused. No, this was what? Why did the other one show up? Wait. Oh, I think it's all these. Hold up. Is it? I think it's this one. Yeah, wait. Give it a sec. Okay, I want to bring this back. I really want to bring this back. I spent way too much time on this. It's just a drop off right here. Wow. Can I bring this back? Is this like, can I publish it under another like place? But shop? Did I start on a shop? Oh, I might have. For some weird reason. Are there any other references I need to get rid of though? I mean, what was it? It was just like some models? Why did it get deleted? Where's this? Oh, it's this thing. I bet it's this. Get rid of that. And then this. And anyway. That's funny. Let's see. Saved a file. What's the day? Okay. Save failed? You mean like the file save failed? No, that succeeded. That's fine. What didn't? Okay. Huh. Publish failed. Oh, can you not do like a... do that? Yeah, it's gonna fail. That's okay. Go back. Let's see. Wait, did it work? Can I edit this stuff? Oh, I can add places to it. That's the start place. Can I do that? Okay. Okay. So then can I go here? Be like place number 19. I don't know what it's called that. Wow. Okay. Can I change this? Basic. Oh, here we go. Ah, I see. I see. It really is deleted. Got it. Okay, so it needs to be like a straight up new place then. Let's make it private then. Dang. So straight up. Oh, me. Wait. Really? It's under review. Hold on. change it back. Just so that I know. And then there we go. Hey, let's do that. Okay. Make it public. Okay. On the profile? I always wanted to bring this back. Dang, how do I see it? It'd be... Oh, here we go. Oh, okay. Figure this place? I don't know. Nope, not this one. Edit? No. Configure this. Experience. What the heck? Oh, okay, okay. Starting, where is it? Created. Oh, like this? I can edit in studio. This is public. I don't know what it wants from me. I don't get that, but okay. Okay. That was a rabbit hole. Oh, man. So let's see. Let's do. What is it? Am I blind? Oh, it's this. It's this project. Okay, this is the one I wanted to study a little bit more. So we can close. I'll probably add this system to this map. Perhaps. All right. Yeah, probably to that map. Ah. Oh. Here we go. I don't even think I'm using terrain in this. Here. It'll take no time. No time whatsoever. Okay. So something I do want to figure out is... Okay. So upon selecting a team, I wonder if you could have it like preload stuff. So, let's see. There are a lot of options, wow. Wait a second, did it just auto add? I don't remember it doing that. Oh my gosh, that's so loud. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So the whole goal is to be able to drop this system into a game. And also make sure it works completely. Oh yeah, but another thing was that I wanted to make it so that if you respawned, so wanted to make it so that if you were to die, it would, so this takes you back to the main menu. Really, I just want it to go back to this screen, the deploy screen. Hmm. This is a nitpick, but I've always wanted to forget about nitpicks. It's not relevant. Oh shoot, wait. Can I select these? No, I can't yet. Oh. Let's see. I bet I could program it to do that. GUIs, oh man, so the GUIs may just like... First of all, can I even... Can I even remove the GUIs? Ping receive. Disabled. Do I even need that? I don't even know. This is the menu. It's got, oh, it's got so much. Okay, it's got the armory, it's got the credits, it's got the loadout, the menu. I don't think we use notifications, but we could. We just use the hint GUI. Oh, the selections. Okay, so background sounds. Oh, we could do sounds. No way. No way. I never even incorporated these sounds in the menu yet. That's kind of nuts. We programmed, we put a lot of things into this that we wanted to add, and it was just never programmed in yet. Okay. So here's the thing. We want, there's the deploy menu. Okay, so, and this contains, and there's the team menu. They pop into the frame, into this menu frame. They're essentially, they look the same. I want, so Sargui. I think something is programmed to reset on spawn. Yeah, so this is the... So maybe we don't want it to reset on spawn. What if I did that, just out of curiosity? Let's just see. I think there's going to be some brokenness to it, but... So here's like the thing. No. We may want it to... Every time we go to this play game section, you can only get into the game by going to this GUI, okay? So if I were to click this, are the GUIs just set to be invisible? And when I die, okay, let's see. It's not gonna reset, so I think the GUI itself is not gonna reset. So I think when I get back to here, I think I'm gonna be stuck. I'm gonna be soft locked. Right. Oh, right. So it's where do the GUIs get saved? Where does the GUI get manipulated? In the storage? Like this. Menu. Active, but visible. Visible? Nope. Does it go into the player GUI? Yeah, here we go. It's the player GUI. So go back to the let's see. Not the chat. Wait over though. This? No? Maybe it was destroyed. Oh, maybe that's why. Hold on. Maybe it just gets... Maybe that's when it gets reset. What happens when I click menu, deploy, options, title, back, options. And what's the script? Oh, this controls all of it. Okay. So, deploy options. And then the button is called, what is it called? Tabs though. Oh yeah. Just D? I don't know. Oh, there's just hundreds of Ds. Let's see, why not? Option. Oh my gosh. I don't even recognize this code anymore. That's how old it is. I used to know how to like tweak these values. I made these custom values. Gosh dang. I don't even know what they mean anymore. Oh, okay. There's even more. There's even more. Okay, deploy. Oh my gosh. Highlight. So get children and first child generator. Oh man. Oh. Here we go. This brings our camera back to the GUI. GUI here represents, I think, this GUI. Okay. So, I think I understand. Okay, so the parent GUI, which is I think this, the menu, gets destroyed. .sGUI. What's that? What's that? What's the sGUI? It's probably fine. .starter GUI maybe? Oh man. What if I just like... Good, okay, script changes are published. Or not published until committed. Oh, that's because of the collaborate feature. Interesting. Does that mean I can view them? Just see. Let's see if it does. So the expected behavior. Okay, yeah. So it's not destroyed. Okay, so it's still here. That's actually perfect, I think. So instead of destroying it, why don't I just make it inactive? Wow. Hold on. Visible. Dot. It's gooey. I can't see that. Dot. Visible. Can I do that? Okay, so it's just reflected locally on my machine until like I commit it, and if this is like a collaboration, then the people working on it with me would not see the changes until I commit it. Why does this keep showing up? No text editor. I don't need this. So play game. Hmm. 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 What does this represent? What? Oh, you've already deployed. Nice. It already knows. Let's see. So how do I change the GUI? Are pelicans attached to me? Oh no, it's not attached to me. Player GUI. Oh, there we go. There's a menu. Can I just say enabled? Oh, maybe enabled needs to equal false. Yeah, there's no visible field, I think. It's referring to this menu. The starter GUI, I think. I don't think visible is a field. I think I need to say enabled equals false. That's fine. Okay. Yeah. Where's that script? Okay, let's try that. It'll disappear. Okay. Why does it keep dock? What does dock do? Close it. What is that? What even is that tab? A node thing? I don't need it. I don't want it. Okay, okay. Model. Okay. Hopefully. Okay, it disappears. Perfect. Okay, so it's no longer destroyed, it's just invisible. So it's actually still on my player. I can re-enable it and enable it. But this is what's important because I don't want the GUI to reset when I respawn. I actually want it so that players will just go back to that deploy menu when they respawn. So I reset. It should just reveal the GUI. No, I don't have it programmed to reveal the GUI, but it's still there. So I need to go to so if I go to my player, I go to my player GUI, I go to my menu, and I can actually hit enabled, and it will come back. So all I have to do is re-enable it on all I have to do is re-enable it on reset. But then there's also the problem of hiding these GUIs. I think they're invisible by default. So what I gotta do is I just have to program them to be invisible when I spawn. Like I have to, let's see. That might be, let's see. So they're invisible by default, I'm pretty sure. I wonder what script handles that. It makes the tools invisible, and then it makes the, I mean, how is this invisible? Gotta re-find everything. I think I'm out of patience. I just realized it. Like So here's what I'll do. I think I'll do a little bit of this offline so I can be a little more prepared for the next stream. I'll continue with that dialogue system. I want to see. I think I can. Yeah, I can get more of that done. I can even try to program it to. I can program actions into it. I think that's the next step. And I'll try to program it to deploy like an item, like a key. And honestly, if it's just like if it's only conditions and it's conditions or actions are like the way to really change up what kind of dialogue there is, like and how like the NPC interacts with you, that's pretty good. I think that's like all I need really for like a complex like story. I would probably just want to like update the UI. So, and this, I'm actually making pretty good progress on this. Okay, so I just need to find, yeah, what's programmed to make that stuff disappear so that it's behind, or like the toolbar doesn't show up at the beginning. And neither does this. This doesn't show up at the beginning either. And that's just programmed at the very beginning. So, oh, maybe it's the menu camera. I bet it has to do with this, but sorry, that's something else. But that, yeah, I might have to. I gotta make it re-invisible. I gotta remake it invisible again when you respawn. So I don't think it's the hardest thing to program it like that. All right. I have some things that I want to do. No, that's good. That's kind of the point of doing this, is I want to get like started so I can kind of know where to leave off every time. I can make this hopefully more consistent and make it more like, I want to make it more like I know what I'm doing again. So, all right. Well, I hope you enjoyed. I'm just out of patience, but I want to keep working on it later on. I'll let you know if there are any updates as I'm working on it. Let's see. All right. If you guys like this content, I'm on Twitter. You can find me at Arithmetic. I also make music. I'm working on a drop right now. So if you want to hear that, I have some VODs, and I work on music basically every week. So if you like that, tune in. And I also have a SoundCloud, which is /Arithmetic. Yeah, so thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you later. Peace.